Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today we will learn how to clean your Windows computer to make it run faster. iSunshare System Genius is a professional Windows computer optimizer that can help speed up your computer with simple clicks. Everyone can download it to try. After installing the software on your computer, you can open System Genius and click the Scan button. Soon, the software will scan junk files and invalid registry files on your computer. See, the scan result is here. You can scroll down to check the details. Now, click the Clean button. Soon, all the selected files are removed from your computer. Besides, you can clean the junk files and registry files separately. Let's learn how to clean junk files on your computer now. Open the software and select the Junk Files option on the software's left side. Then hit the Scan button. Alright, you get the scan result in no time. You can click each category below to know the file details. Here you can click the folder icon to locate the files on your computer. Click the Clean button to remove certain files. If you do not want to delete some of the files, just uncheck the box, then click the Clean button to clear all the selected junk files. Now those selected files are cleaned. To clean up the invalid registry entries, you can open the software and click the Registry option on the left side. Then hit the Scan button. When the scanning process ends, you can click the More button to expand the item detailed page and clean the files. Or you can click the Clean button on the main interface to clear all selected invalid registry files. To speed up your computer, you can perform the system disk cleanup and download transfer on the computer. With iSunshare System Genius, you can free up more system disk space with one click. Run the software and select the system disk option. Then hit the Release button. Okay, the system disk cleanup is finished. You can also transfer downloads to another location to improve your computer performance. Open the software and choose System Disk. Then hit Download Transfer to continue. All the downloaded files are selected by default. Now you can hit the Select button to choose a new download path from another drive. Click the Move button. Okay, all downloads are moved to the selected path. You can go to the destination path to have a check. To improve the system performance, you can manage the auto-starting programs in this software. Start the software and click the Startup option. Now you can click the Disable Start button to disable the auto startup programs on your computer. Finally, you can manage the system services with System Genius. Open the software and choose the System Service function. You can see all system services on your computer. You can click the Disable button to turn off the system service. If you do not know what to do, you can check the Suggest column. Also, you can enable the service by clicking the Enable button. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.